Shamal. How are you felt? Oh no! What is this? Beach sand? Sand? Now we are clean the animals one by one. Come on, let's go. I think it's bear. Bear, come on, clean the animals. Wow, bear, very nice, very beautiful. Then, wow, panda. Now clean the panda. Wow, panda looks so good, so good. Then this is also bear. Now clean the bear. Wow, bear, amazing. Then, oh no. Wow, tiger. Now clean the tiger. Wow, very beautiful tiger. Then, wow, duck, yellow color duck. Now we are clean the duck. Wow, very beautiful color combination. Looks so good, so good. Then, wow, dog. Now we are clean the dog. Wow, very beautiful dog. Then, wow, cheetah. Now clean the animals. Wow, cheetah, very beautiful. Then, oh no, I think it's penguin. Wow, penguin, very nice. Then, polar bear, clean the polar bear. Wow, polar bear, amazing. Then, Oh no. No animals? Thank you girls. Thanks for watching. Keep support.